We chose Freedom Pools due to the fact that the pool size and location where they could accommodate our needs by pushing it as far back as possible to the house. It was the only company that agreed to all our requirements. When I looked at the pool, they had plenty of pools on display there, and the pool that we chose was another 2 metres longer, but they could easily, they showed us how it would look if we went for the smaller size. So yeah, it was just a lot easier to visualise it by inspecting it. So the quotes, well, it was pretty detailed, it was pretty well dot pointed exactly what you're going to get included in the price. So it was easy enough to identify what we're getting for the dollar. Once it was locked in, we had some dates set aside. In fact, we got our pool installed quicker than we anticipated, to be honest. Favourite part of the pool is that we've got a half under a cover and half open, and the location, of course. That's the main draw card to it. It's just it draws you in every time you come out into the kitchen area. And you're considering Freedom Pools, the main things that you need to consider are communication, location, relationship with the builder and a supplier to get a clear understanding of what you want, because with Freedom Pools, I got exactly that.